we back at it. Friday Night Lights, huh? Got my man Brian out. He about to put in some work with that Losi again. Got Josh over here. We about to test a few rigs, waiting on a few people and get it going.
Lights, you know, see if they work. Perfect night work.
Hold on, bro. What? He got one too. Little man shit hooking and booking.
Nice run, yeah.
260. Alright, we got Brian out here. Got that DR10, got the slash, the low C. Ooh. Boy, just broke that thing.
Got the tracks coming in too, the blue one, we're gonna run it.
Okay, about to have the traxes and the low C run. I told y'all. Yo, my boy just pulled out. Check out my boy Josh. He ain't playing no games. He come set up now. He ain't messing around. What's going on, bro? Damn, I'm on the bumper. Oh, you turned that thing on.
Ooh, they're hot.
Then,
Going good.
he tried to take me out just now. Y'all seen that, right?
Alright, so everyone want to come back here?
All right, Charlie.
Picking up nice, hesitating off the line though. It's like,
Oh no, because I turned it down.
So Charlie's doing some work to his car. He said Sunday we're gonna go to BCC and test. That ain't stopping you from getting your numbers. You got this a tuners race right here. This real outlaw shit out here.
they got that blue, man.
Yeah, they got that blue one out here tonight. That's Josh home, and then we got Brian with the red. Then they got the Traxxas coming. The boys out here looking good. Them aftermarket rims is styling now. They both look good though. Let's see what they do. You got this lane on too?
It's all on.
Willie Bobby sparking like a mother. Oh, we got the Losi versus the DR10. The Losi completely stocked though. Brian got the lights on. Oh, that Losi was digging out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And landed back on his feet.
Beat them tires up a little. And them lights help, that's nice.
Yeah, that sure do.
For a blind ass like me, that shit is nice.
The blue nice lights look good. That thing look good. That's my boy. DR10 King right here. Slam that thing to the ground. Oh, he smoked you. Oh, he whole shotted you. He whole shot.
I beat him though. No, I'm joking.
About this.
Right?
2528.
5.
Yeah, that low shit ain't no good. What they talking about? That thing doing a 2.5. Let's check that. Reaction time. You see that reaction time? He slept there, still beat him out. That was crazy.
Man, I turned the brake down too.
Bob did out here styling with the blue Losi now. That blue thing for you, that thing on stock right there. Yeah, we're gonna see. This one completely stock. Got the stock tires on it. We're gonna make him go against Brian. Then my boy just showed up. He got that track.
I'm going against Brian. I'm gonna put my reactions on.
Ah, we want to see the stock tires versus the reaction, so everybody knows what's going on. Check my man. Oh, he got a nice setup. He coming out tonight to play. Check him out. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. We got that drag slash. We're gonna go against that Losi. Stock. Both of them completely stock. We got that stock Losi. About to smoke him real quick.
Having a brand new car before you scratch it.
Oh, that Losi smoked you out that hole. Break that other beam so you can see what you ran.
That was half throttle.
No, I want to hear that, bro.
Oh, here we go.
No, I want to hear that. I want to hear that. That thing was gripping though. 2.8.
I come home and make it on the box before I go. Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
Check my man out, man. He done broke the Losi. Come on, what's he doing? Look, he's popping off his head.
Bro.
Yeah.
Both of them are popped up.
Yeah, I only can find one for you, sir.
I lost both mine.
Ah, he got this traction over here stalling. What he waiting on, y'all? Tell him back.
Just got here. I'm going.
Yeah, they want to see that Losi and that slash.
I'll give you 300 for it right now.
Nah, I'm just gonna keep it.
Man, that shit sounds good, bro.
Full send it.
Told you it's not going to stay new forever, unfortunately. I wish mine did too, but it's not the way.
Mustang Matty. Nice let off. Right lane took that. The Losi took it.
Here, Red.
Oh, yeah. Just a hot baby.
Tony.
That was a nice hit in the left lane.
Take it easy on the way back.
Chris, 2.4 now?
I did that
We got the Losi versus the blue Losi versus the red Losi. They both running reactions.
$5 on the red one.
Oh, left lane, left lane. Smoked you. He smoked you.
Yeah, run that back.
2.8, 2.6.
You went faster though.
Where did it go?
You went 2.6, you went 2.8.
I went to 8.
Yeah.
Reaction, it beat him.
I throw second gear. Already have a ball.
Losi versus Losi. Reaction tires.
Damn, Brian. Second time tonight.
Let's see. Hit the thing. Let me see what it ran.
2629. Oh, it goes in reverse.
But I just got yelled at by my boss about you guys blocking this area off. Alright, sorry, apologize. The last time we were out, somebody said no, it was alright. Yeah. So we did it again, that's all. One of our guys? Yeah.
So the mall cop came and put us out, and we're about to move over to another parking lot. He told us we was cool over there. It's nice and bright over there, but unfortunately that parking lot is messed up, so we're gonna just go to the Cole's parking lot right down the block. Right? Look, all these people just pulled up. They kicked us out. We found a better spot out here deep. Friday night. Yeah, we're gonna use this lane right here. Nice. Wish we had some better light, but we'll be all right. Yeah, that was a nice. Yeah, I was about to take him out again. Alright, y'all, we got everybody out here testing and tuning. Friday night in front of Bob's Furnitures. Everybody out here, got John. Everybody out here. It's a decent crowd for a Friday night, man. Kev, got Kev out here. Yeah. Got my man Mustang Matty out here. Ooh, that was a run right there. Shout out to everybody for coming out, man. Good night. Playing around, having some fun. What is it? They got a microfiber mop. That shit running. Yeah, it's a bump right here. Yeah? Losi on your ass, boy.
Too low. I read it.
Nah, that was me pulling full throttle and that bitch catching grip.
I'm saying the body. The body's just catching the ground.
For real?
He just what's the times on that?
I took that still.
Well, I had to. No, dude, your body was dragging. You can hear it.
No, I was willing. I was willing.
Wheeling?
It was slapping the ground like that, willing.
I thought the front end was catching.
Yeah, I let off. Big time.
It's dragging the ass end, not the front end.
Yeah.
I thought the front was hitting. That's why.
It was like that on the wheelie, but blah, 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 blah.
Well, hey, that's good power.
Go straight. You guys go down behind the airport? John, let him.
It did a 360.
Got pop my tire. For real?
Can't press it that hard, I guess.
I mean, it was old.
You still eat?
No, this will be the first time.
Oh, let's get that Losi out. Brian, where you at? Bring that Losi here, Brian.
No, you wait.
All right, y'all. We got the Losi. This is stock with the reactions. And then we got the Traxxas Drag Slash.
He got Big Daddies on his shit.
He got Big Daddies on there. He's steaming them things up. That thing on red light, y'all, man. What you doing? He ain't trying to lose in that right lane. He trying to show up for Traxxas. Get in the beam, bro.
You're out the beam. Don't go yet.
I'm in it.
Go, go.
3. You watch the first crash.
Yo! What happened, bro? So we gonna do the best 2 out of 3 right now. Losi took it one time. Bring it back. Let's do it again.
My car's on its route though, so you gotta give me a second.
Tony.
Yo, my man over here trying to get some practice test hits in real quick with the slash. Yeah, bring that thing back over here. The people want to see that thing out the whole full throttle. Hold on, let me set them back up. Go, let's see something, y'all. Remember that Losi's up 1, so now it's yo, what happened to the lights on the slash?
Hey, it brings the shit but no light.
Oh wow! They Traxxas, that's how y'all doing it? Y'all ain't put the lights in there like Losi? Yo, them boys filling their tires and everything, boy. They is not playing.
Ready. I'm gonna pick up as good.
What happened? What happened? Now we, huh?
Trans brake.
Trans brake? Yo, bro, what's going on here, bro? Yo, Losi up 2, but we gonna rerun that, y'all. I know I'm gonna get a lot of thumbs out down for that one.
Oh man.
Yo, don't use a trans brake.
It's good. Oh, they off. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, boy. He caught you off the light. He caught you off the light. You want me to drive that thing, bro? What about there, boy?
I hope that Losi, man, I'm telling you. It's just Brian's Losi in general.
That thing going good. Ooh! Nah, Losi got it. I don't care. Y'all can thumbs it down all day. Losi got it, man.
I like the suspension on Traxxas.
Yeah, it's bouncy. Yeah, Losi got it. They switch lanes, and that's track. That's Losi in the right lane. That's Traxxas in the left.
You know what though? Hey, he has to. It's new to me.
That's cool. Yeah. They got pads on it?
No.
Oh shit! Oh, I don't know how he didn't take out that system. Left lane. I don't. That was Losi versus Losi. 260. My boy's moving.
I don't know if he's slow. You're not free playing. I don't know if he's slow. And I was looking over here.
He took me.
He was fucking right in front of me.
That's too fast. I don't think that's too fast. All-wheel drive and two-wheel drive. Again,
I'm bouncing too much,
Yeah,
don't
you
worry.
were. But I went down and my
I actually lifted this up a little bit just to run.
I couldn't fucking get out.
It ain't banging. It's when it's car wheeling and smacking the ground like that.
There was a stuck though.
2625. See, I let off. That's why I got a 43.
Just to remind you, don't fucking do that.
Dude, that's the first time I think I've seen you flip over in a long
That bitch hooking with them tires. That shit came out the whole hard.
Shiny, fucking stripped down, bare bones, just right. Yeah. I don't clean it, don't polish it. Nope. Hey, my brother broke down on his bike. I'm like, I can tell you.
I wasn't even full throttle. I just wanted to. Kirby hit it right there.
I know they sell the gas rail and Yeah. Drizzy, you should have got that on camera.
Yoink the back wheel, just rid it. And then hit the bump, still riding it.
That's 2.5.
Yeah.